Ongoti basebenzisa ikheshi eliyaphansi emgodini ukuyolanda ozamazama abavaleleke emgodini wemayini. Kuthathe cishe usuku lonke ukuthi bekwazi ukuthola indlela ebheke ezansi. Nokuthenga okuhamba kosuku, ikheshi laqala ukuphuma nozamazama. Leli kheshi-ke lifakwe ikhamera ebonisa abaphezulu ukuthi kwenzekani uma isifike emgodini.
They are excited that finally there is some sort of assistance, and they are excited that at least it's not a rope a rope could only take one person. And they are also cooperating down there. They are assisting them in making sure that they bring those bodies even closer to the cage.
Lithe lishona ilanga ibisikwazile ukutakula ozamazama abayi-14 okubalwa kubo nezidumbu ezinhlanu. Kanti-ke kuthatha isikhathi esithi asibe yihora ukuthi leli kheshi liye phansi libuye nozamazama. Umsebenzi wongoti wokutakula uhlelelwe ukuthi uqhubeke izinsuku eziyi-10.